Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Slow English Speaking Video. If you want to speak English well, you need to work on these four major skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. At first, you need to listen to English as much as possible. Get as much listening practice as possible. That's the natural way you acquired your mother tongue, and you can use that to learn English as well. And the next thing you want to do is to start speaking and using English. I suggest that you start with simple conversations, and as your English improves, the conversations should be longer and deal with different topics. And that is the way. Then comes the next step, which is reading. The reading skill is important because it allows you to enrich and broaden your bank account of vocabulary. And you also learn grammar in an unconscious way. These are way, okay. The last thing you want to do to write. In the beginning, I advise you to write some very simple and short paragraphs. One paragraph per day for a beginner level is more than enough. Keep in mind that you do not have to write excellent or exceptional pieces of writing. As you continue learning and acquiring more knowledge, your writing skill will improve. And it's very easy to learn English, right? Please note that following the order in which I put the four major skills is significant. Not respecting this order will result in unsatisfactory outcomes. Okay, and that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. Keep watching videos. You can watch all of my slow English speaking videos, and you will get free English speaking course on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, Mr. Paul English. You have to search on Mr. Paul English. Okay, and that's it for today. Goodbye. Have a good day.